Welcome to Super Awesome channel. In this video I'll share with you how to make money online starting today. You will find a lot of people today who say making money online is terribly hard to do, say so only because they are ignorant. Lots of people can make the simplest task seem like brain surgery, and that is certainly the case with online marketing as well. We are not so concerned about the various reasons for such a high failure rate, but it is really very similar to offline businesses. There are a lot of things that are important to do, and listing all of them may just overwhelm you. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Within any new online venture, you can proceed with some caution and make decisions based on the best information you have. What follows next are some important online marketing guidelines for you to consider and then adopt if they make good sense to you. Make sure you've got a goal and a plan in front of you. Do not think that you can make a living on the internet without having a plan. If you do not have a plan, you will not have any idea of how to go about making an online living. Do your homework and see to it that your agenda is both strong and realistic. Always try to pay attention to improving on all the good aspects of your internet marketing plan. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Your digital marketing plan does not have to be all involved. You need to jot down a few steps of what you want to be done and by when. Your purpose is to have a very firm guideline of what you want to do, with specific milestones in place. Just like any other endeavor in life, an online business is no different in that you need to have faith in your ability to succeed. You will always find those who are cynical about being able to make money, but you must resist that urge. Most people know about believing in oneself, but very few are able to pull it off. Making the initial decision to start your online business is a huge step in the right direction. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Find somebody in the online marketing space that you admire and then spend some serious time observing them or reading about them. It is well known that there are lots of web marketers have generated many millions. You see them on public platforms and hear how they talk, how they execute their ideas, and how they move their work forward. It gives you an inner picture that will help you with your own money-making goals. Some of these people will amazingly be accessible for conversation because they want to share, while others will not be, but it is worth a try. You may even get additional inspiration from others when you talk to them in business forums, conferences, and other places of mutual online marketing interest. Every step that you take towards getting your financial freedom on the internet will ultimately take you towards a more stable future. Understand that making money online is a process, and you must go step by step to reach your goals and to make it big. Once you make that first sale, then that means you know how to sell something, and then you just keep doing it. You must, however, begin at the beginning just like we all did, and you will move past that very quickly. So now you know how to start making money online today, by implementing a mental preparation process and laying out your plan for long-term success. But that first step must start today. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.